CEO of Dodge has hinted that new models are coming in 2023. So what to expect in my personal opinion? So Dodge Durango will have a new generation where it will be based on the rank 1500 to become a more cheap option compared to the Jeep Wagoneer in my personal opinion. And then of course there could be inline 6 powered muscle cars based on the STLA large architecture. Of course, you know what I'm talking about, the Hurricane inline 6 engine. So something that should be expected in 2023. And then of course, I would also expect something to happen about the Charger Daytona SRT concept as well, something that could happen to that vehicle as well in 2023. And he went on to say further, long-term plans are to be revealed towards the dealers next year. So the dealers will be revealed about these new products next year. So that is something to keep a close eye on. Am I excited? I am very excited. I am a huge fan of Dodge and their muscle cars and everything. But I understand that everything they make cannot be muscle cars. That's a fact. So I'm looking forward for Dodge Durango full-size SUV. If this is true, again, I can't confirm. No one can confirm. Things can change in the automotive industry. If it's true, I'm really looking forward for that. A cheap option for the Jeep Wagoneer. And inline 6 powered muscle cars on the STLA large architecture with which is the Hurricane inline 6. I'm pretty excited. And hopefully this might, silence some enthusiast who weren't so happy about the Charger Daytona SRT concept about seeing electric muscle cars. So thank you very much for joining me on this show.